In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find drafts in Hootsuite. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Hootsuite is an incredible tool for managing your social media accounts, and one of its great features is the ability to save drafts of your posts. This ensures that you can perfect your messaging before hitting that publish button. So let's dive right in and learn how to locate those drafts you've got saved. First things first, you'll need to open Hootsuite. If you don't have an account yet, you'll want to create one, but if you're already set up, just log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by your Hootsuite dashboard, which is your command center for all things social media. Now, once you're on the dashboard, take a look at the left side of your screen. Here you'll find a list of options, each represented by its own icon. If you look closely, you'll see an option labeled Drafts. This is where all your saved drafts reside, waiting for your final touch before going live. Go ahead and click on the Drafts option. Depending on how many drafts you have, it might take a moment for them to load, but you will soon see a list of all the content you've prepared but haven't yet published. Each draft will typically display the title, the content of the post, and the social media accounts they are associated with. As you scroll through, you might notice that each draft may represent different platforms, such as Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, or LinkedIn. This organization is incredibly helpful for managing multiple accounts from a single Hootsuite dashboard. If you've been working on specific campaigns, you can easily locate and edit the relevant drafts without getting lost in a sea of content. If you want to edit a draft, you simply click on it and it will open up for you to make any necessary changes. Once you're satisfied with what you've got, you can choose to either schedule it for a future time or post it right away. Another great feature is that you can also create new drafts right from this section. If you have an idea that you want to save for later, you can click on the option to create a new post and save it as a draft. This really helps streamline the content creation process, allowing you to build a library of future posts whenever inspiration strikes. If you're like me, you might also have a few drafts that you've changed your mind about or that are no longer relevant. Hootsuite makes it easy to manage this too. You can delete any drafts that you don't wish to keep anymore. Just click on the draft and you'll see an option to delete it. So to summarize this process, after logging into Hootsuite, look to the left side of your dashboard where you will find the draft section. Click on it and you should see all your drafts laid out for you. You can edit, publish, or delete entries right from that same area. It's straightforward and efficient, making it an essential part of your social media management routine. Now that you know how to find and manage your drafts in Hootsuite, I hope you'll find this feature even more useful as you strategize your social media postings. It really gives you the flexibility and control over your content creation process, allowing you to focus on crafting the best messages for your audience. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video to stay updated on future tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy social media management.